Once we have the new company and the new site, we can move on to the shift opening stage. Opening shifts is actually a very important step. We want to enter all the active shifts in which the cleaning staff are present on site into the dashboard. Let's see how we do that. When we open the shift, this is how it looks at first. It's empty. We delete all the rows and leave only one shift. We go to Edit and click on the pencil icon on the right. I want to edit it to a name that will help me understand which shift I'm in. So, morning starts at 6 in the morning and the end time is at 14 o'clock in the afternoon. If, for example, the cleaning staff don't work on Fridays, I remove Friday. I make sure all the rooms are selected. Right now, we have only one room and it's selected and we just click OK. If there's another shift, we click New Shift. For example, shift name, start name, mark the date. Select the rooms and click OK. We have just finished creating the morning shift and the evening shift. Important note, we do not have overlapping shifts. If our morning shift started at 6 o'clock and ended at 2 in the afternoon, the next shift we create must start at 2 in the afternoon, otherwise there will simply be an error. Let's go over and see what we've done so far. We have a morning shift from 6 o'clock to 2 in the afternoon and an evening shift from 2 in the afternoon to 6 in the evening. These are essentially the hours when the cleaning staff are on site. Once I finish creating these shifts, I click on Add Reflective Shifts. And that's it.